Qu'est-ce que t'as mis dans mon verre? J'ai les idées plus très claires. J'ai le cerveau à l'envers.
My hair is freshly washed, and basically I do that all over my hair. That's it for the drying my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Miss Ray Show. What? Okay, bon, viens, voilà. So remember I did my hair. I blow dry my hair. Can I talk? Remember I blow dried my hair. I show you the process. If not, the link will be somewhere here on the description box. And then I braid them, and I said I'll be back to style it. I never came back. Well, what happened was I ate something, and then I was like, oh, let me take a nap, because I did that after work. I work night shift. Why did I do that? Okay, I work night shift, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna take a nap and then come back and then style my hair and also do my makeup. I slept the whole day. Well, wasn't really the whole day, because when I started it was like 1 p.m. and then when I finished blow dry my hair and all that, it was like 2. I went to bed at 5, and then I had to wake up around 10 to get ready and then go to work. So yeah, from 5 to 10 I was gone. I was in dreamland, even though I didn't dream. But yeah, so forgot about you and all that. So yeah, so today we're gonna style my hair and hopefully do my makeup also. I'm doing my makeup, but I'm not going nowhere, just for the purpose of the video, chit chat with you and all that stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, you cannot stay here, baby. You need to go down. Without further ado,
Okay.
Okay, shut up. Like that, shut up. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna style my hair. I don't know what I wanna do yet. Probably a bun, a slick back thingy. You know what I'm talking about, right? So basically what I'm doing now is I'm trying to do a vlog series. So yeah, I'm doing this series 12 days before Christmas type of series. Oh, look at this. This is a look. I'm leaving it like that. no. And if it's not a lot of work, I'll do the same thing for like 12 days before New Year's or some stuff like that. Yeah, so I edit myself and all that, so that's probably why I'm gonna see how it goes for this one, and then see if I wanna do one for the new year. So I'm finishing my gel, olive oil. Honestly, this gel doesn't really work on my head because it's olive oil, but I still use it because it's not really like tacky or sticky, and sometimes I found it great to have one like that than to have like a really tacky sticky one. So now I'm using my Edge Booster Stronghold styling gel cherry scent. Yeah, it smells like cherry. This one is just a more secure gel, I can say. Before I thought it was like an edge control thing, but actually not really. But I like it because it gives you like that more sleeky vibe that the Eco Styling Gel doesn't give you. Sorry guys, I had a charger issue. And basically that. I'll fix the puff later. I can leave them like this, or I can put some flexi rod in it to like curl it more, or I can leave it like this. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna put a scarf on and I'll get back to you to show you the final product. All right.